In this video, I'm going to show you a quick hack on how you can auto-adjust your columns here in Google Sheets. So if you're working on the data and you see that there are a lot of space or there's not enough space to show all of your data within that column. So if you were to do this manually or one by one, what you're going to do is to just go to that column, select that column, then go to the end of it on the right side to adjust it. So if I wanted to adjust the D column right here, I'm going to hover over the edge until I see this type of cursor. Now, when your cursor does change, that means you can adjust it, drag it to the left or to the right. Now, if you wanted to auto adjust to the biggest or the longest data on your column, what you're going to do is to just double click on it. And there you have it. It auto adjusts itself depending on what type of content or values is the longest within that column. Now, if I were to do that again with our subject right here, again, I can just go to the end of that column, double click, and there you have it. But let's say you're dealing with a large set of data. Let's say you have columns until Z. What you're going to do to auto adjust all of your columns at the same time is to select all of your columns. That's going to be with your Control Shift or Command Shift and your right arrow key to select your entire table. And if I just go to any of these right here, once my cursor changes, I'm going to double click and voila, you have all of your columns auto adjust to the longest value that is found in each of those columns right here. Mainly for this table right here, it would be with the headers. So if, let's say my header was just quiz for this one, press enter and I double click on that and there you go. It would be much smaller. But since it did say quiz score, that is how the column auto adjusted to that size. There you have it. Let's try that again with another example. So here I don't have a table, but I do have some data. So some of these data are not seen because our column is not correctly adjusted to the longest value or data within those cells or within that column. So we're going to do the same thing. Just select your entire data. It's going to be Control A or Control Shift and your right arrow. Then go to the end of one of your columns at the top, then double click. That is how it has auto adjusted the size of your columns based on the longest data within that selected range. And there you have it. So that's how you can auto adjust your columns with a quick hack right here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.